Ford fans, we have a new system for you, the GT350. Stainless Works is excited to announce headers and exhausts for the Ford Mustang GT350. Our new header systems features 1 7/8" primaries, 3-inch collectors, an emerge spike for scavenging, available with high flow cats or off-road leads. We offer them in 2 different connections, Factory Connect or Performance Connect. Factory Connect is swedged down to fit your factory connection. The Performance Connect offers a full 3-inch system. Our exhausts are available in 2 sound levels, Redline and Legend. We design our Redline systems to maximize the tone and the volume of the engine while still eliminating any drone in the cabin, resulting in a feeling that'll make you want to slap your mama.
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
We designed the Legend systems with the daily driver in mind, featuring improved tone with restrained loudness. A system that gets the blood flowing and allows a comfortable ride. This exhaust features our integrated valve, allowing you to go from mild to wild with the flip of a switch. Our catback systems connect directly to the valance using the factory tips, with your choice of either an X pipe or H pipe. Our systems are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel and are TIG welded for strength and beauty. All our systems are mandrel bent for optimum flow. Stainless Works headers and exhausts includes our lifetime warranty on materials and craftsmanship. As always, our products are proudly made in the USA. For more information, visit stainlessworks.net or call 800-878-3635. Hold on. One more time.
Yeah, you get
Slap you in the... Yeah, I was gonna say that too, but is that make you want to slap your mama?
That's fine.
Okay.